Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to continue the previous video. In the previous video we have observed some Python programs and we are going to continue those. In previous year we have completed up to 6 Python programs. Now I'm continuing that from 7th one. Here the program is to read a number and print it square. First, so in the previous number I have explained how to done the process. Here an example I've given that they given input 4, it reads the number and print its square as 16, and I have to create the file name as q7.py, and here this is the code to run, and bash it is to check the correctness of the problem and to submit it. And now let's create a file named q7.py. and q7.py, the touch command is used to create a file, so I'm using touch command to create the file q7.py, and to open the file I'm using the command code, and it is open here. Now let's see. First we have to give the number. I'm taking a variable in input. This is nothing but when we give I'm putting the n as variable and putting the value of n as an integer. Inside the brackets I have written input. It is nothing but when we give a number and before running the Python it reads the number. So here we have to print it square, right? Now nothing but easy one, print n space star n, and is in multiplication is represented by the symbol the star. So let's run this code. Python q7.py. Let's try 7. You can observe that it have printed the square of 7, 49. Okay, the next one is the next question is to print even numbers up to n. Okay, I have given example. The given input is here 10, and it's printed the even numbers up to the number 10. So the name of the file is q8.py. So let's create the file. Touch q8.py and open it. Code q8.py, and let's write the code. You have to print n up to n even numbers, right? I'm giving variable int to read the number. I'm giving the command input, and for even numbers I'm taking for I in range. For even numbers it have to be in the range between 2 comma n plus 1 plus 1 comma 2. We have to put the double dots for to apply the condition. type the print statement, we have to print the I, and here we have to kept this is nothing but, I'm sorry, this is nothing but, I have explained it in the previous video also, and we write this here, and I'm sorry, and equals to double quote space, right? It is nothing but in default, if we have doesn't write this in default, the answer will be print and the in first line, and it will goes to the next line. But if we enter this, it won't goes to the next line. Let's print this python q8.py for up to 12. So if we doesn't write this, it will go into the next line, but we added that, so it doesn't get into the next line. Coming to the next question, ninth one, print first and odd numbers. It is similar to the before 8th one. Create the file q9, right? q9.py, open it, nothing but similar to the previous one, n equals to input for I, range 1 comma for odd numbers, right? 1 comma 2 into, I'm sorry, 2 into n comma 2. Sorry, I have to put the double dots and write the print statement, or what I have to print is I, comma, and equals to double quotes space double quotes, and let's run this code. Two n numbers, right? 7. So it printed the first n numbers up to seventh one, means I have given out the number 7, right? It had printed seven odd numbers. That is the print first n odd numbers. So coming to the next one, print odd numbers up to n. So we have to print this up to n. Let's do it. Create the file q10.py, open it, let's n equals to input, I'm sorry for the noise guys, please cooperate, for I in range, similar to the previous ones. For I in range, I have to just the range will be varied for each one, remaining all are similar only. 1 comma n plus 1 comma 2, I'm sorry,